Today we're going to learn how to charge a new Macan electric here at an Electrify America station. To get the process started from your vehicle, you're going to start the charge. So on your mobile device, open the My Porsche app, then select the icon down here at the bottom. It looks like a charger. Select that icon, and then you're going to select the charger that you're currently sitting at. In this case, you can see it right there. The blue dot is you. The little square is the charger. Select the square. You'll see the address pop up here at the bottom. You'll select that with your finger and it'll open this charger set. Now I'm going to look and see which charger I'm at here. It's number 04. So I'm going to select this line here that says CCS to open up this bank of chargers. And here I see it, number 04. I'm going to select that line. And there we go. We got the nice pop-up to ask us to start charging. So we would, of course, like to start charging. Outstanding. Let's plug in the car. The Macan electric charge port door opens slightly differently than our other Porsche models. You just slightly put your palm here in the middle of the door and take away. The next thing you need to do is lower your DC charging flap here. Wait till it clicks and it'll stay down for you. Take your charger. You can place the DC charging cable. Wait till you hear the click and you'll see here connecting to vehicle. Now you can wait to watch your charging indicator here. Once it shows green, you'll know that you're charging. Okay, we're now going to unplug the vehicle. You can hold down the button here for a couple seconds. The charge port door on the Macan electric will close on its own. So our charging process is complete, and it's really fantastic because it basically went to the target charge and stopped. I want to talk about another way to charge your vehicle, which is a little bit faster, and that's called plug and charge. Now, plug and charge allows you to plug in the vehicle and basically walk away. It's really quite nice. Your vehicle charges to your target charge, and then it stops. Nice, easy. Really, it's the fastest way to DC fast charge your Macan. You can also stop the charge in a couple of other different ways. You can do it in the charge port door. You can stop it on the pedestal itself, or you can use the My Porsche app to say stop charging. Now, to initiate plug and charge, you go to charging, hit the settings wheel, and then select plug and charge here at the bottom, and you're all set. You now can DC fast charge your Macan electric at an Electrify America station.